Blurry Instagram stories can be a major headache, especially when you're trying to share your best moments or promote your brand with crystal clear visuals. You put in the work to capture stunning photos or videos, but once they're uploaded, they lose their sharpness and pop. So, what's actually causing this frustrating dip in quality? And, more importantly, how can you fix it? Let's break down the most common reasons your Instagram stories might look blurry and what you can do to ensure your content always shines. First things first, one of the top culprits is not using the Instagram camera app itself. If you're capturing content using your phone's built-in camera and then uploading it, you might notice a drop in quality. That's because Instagram applies its own filters and compression settings, which sometimes don't play nicely with photos or videos shot outside the app. To keep your stories looking sharp, try recording or snapping photos directly within Instagram. This way, your content is optimized for the platform from the get-go. Another sneaky reason for blurry stories? A cluttered app cache. Over time, your phone stores temporary data for every app you use, including Instagram. When this cache gets too big or corrupted, it can mess with how your stories upload and display. Clearing your Instagram cache regularly can help keep things running smoothly and may give your uploads a noticeable boost in clarity. Sometimes, though, the issue isn't on your end at all. Instagram's servers might be down or experiencing heavy traffic, causing uploads to compress more aggressively or fail to process correctly. If you notice your normally sharp stories suddenly look fuzzy, check online tools like Down Detector to see if Instagram is having widespread issues. In these cases, the only fix is patience. Wait it out and try uploading again later. Next, let's talk about your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the upload process, causing incomplete or low-quality uploads. If you're on patchy Wi-Fi or have spotty mobile data, Instagram might reduce the quality of your story to ensure it uploads at all. Before sharing, make sure you're connected to a strong, stable network to avoid these quality hiccups. Adding too many elements to your story, think stickers, GIFs, music, and text, can also impact quality. Every extra layer increases the file size, and since Instagram enforces size limits to keep things running smoothly, it will compress your story more if it's overloaded. For the best results, keep it simple. Focus on your main image or video and use minimal extras. Don't forget about Instagram's data-saving mode. This feature is designed to help you use less mobile data by reducing the quality of uploads and streams. If you have data saving enabled, your stories will automatically be compressed more, leading to that dreaded blur. Head to your Instagram settings, find data usage or media quality, and turn off the Use Less Mobile Data option. For an extra boost, enable Upload at highest quality if that option is available. Another common pitfall: uploading content in the wrong format or size. Instagram stories are designed for media that's 1920 x 1080 pixels with a 9:16 aspect ratio. If your images or videos don't fit these dimensions, Instagram will stretch or compress them, resulting in a loss of sharpness. Make sure you're creating content specifically for stories, vertical, high resolution, and at least 72 pixels per inch. Finally, if you've tried everything and your stories are still blurry, it might just be a temporary glitch. Apps update frequently, and sometimes bugs slip through. Try restarting the app, updating to the latest version, or even reinstalling Instagram if nothing else works. Remember, your stories are a direct representation of your brand and creativity. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your content always looks its best, clear, crisp, and ready to make an impact. Keep creating, keep sharing, and let your stories shine.